Over the past couple of months, I've been trying to do something different in my life. Trying to live with a different mindset, trying to meet new people, and trying to experience this life in the way it was meant to be. In most circumstances, I come up short. I've done things I wish I could turn back, treated people wrongly, and actually lost more friends than I made. This is because of my wrongdoing. In 2018, social media, everything relies around you. From likes, followers, comments, and more, social media has become more and more self-centered. May this be a pledge of JakeG. I want to inspire people to live differently and to live epic. This is 5 Days in the DR. Right now, we just got to Atlanta. We are in our hotel at the moment. Tomorrow morning, we're waking up. We're gonna get on the airplane and we're gonna fly about 3 hours down south. But I was trying to get up on the roof for some cool pictures, but there is an alarm, which is kind of annoying. So we're just chilling here. We're gonna wake up early in the morning and then we're gonna head out. So many, there's lines and lines of people. Right now, I'm currently flying my drone. We landed a couple hours ago. We just got something to eat. It is very windy outside, which I'm a little nervous about. But I'm getting some really sick drone pictures and videos right now. Good morning, everybody. It is the next day. It is our first full day in the Dominican Republic. We're headed to the beach right now, though, so we're gonna check that out.
Spending the night alone for the first time in a while. I look at the sky and I think of you.
Today we are doing dune buggies or something like that, so I'm going to have to switch to the GoPro, but actually, this is going to be, hopefully they go fast. I don't know, this is going to be real sick. So we just stopped. My eyes are gone, actually. I can't see anything right now. I don't even think I'm looking at the camera. We're headed to a cave right now, which is like in the middle of this tour. Hey everybody, it is our last day in the DR. Our plane leaves at 3. We have to leave the hotel at 12. We're trying to get to the island thing I was talking about. That leaves at 9. It gets back at 11:45. So it's going to be cutting it really, really close. So I don't know if I'm even going to be able to go, but I'm going to try. So yeah, let's hope I make it. It's really windy. And now we have to jump to another boat that's coming. To get to the island, we have to leave early from the island. So this is so crazy. Alright, so we are on the island right now. The ocean and beach are that way. We're walking to the end so I can get some drone footage and some awesome pictures of this like end thing that I saw. We might have to walk through the woods also, kind of make our own path, but that's the best path. So let's see how this one turns out. Right now we are in the Punta Cana International Airport waiting for our flight. It just got delayed like 30 minutes. They should have made this like a normal airport. Now we're just waiting in the sun. What a week in the DR. One of the best trips of my life, and one I will soon not forget. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to subscribe if you're new, comment if you have any questions, and like the vid. And also, while I'm uploading this in May, I'll be in Honduras for my next video. See y'all there. Stay awesome, and don't forget to live epic every day.